In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your very own website using Wix. This is a fantastic platform for creating beautiful and functional sites without needing any technical expertise in web design. We'll start from signing up and go all the way to publishing your site with a free Wix domain. This is simple and straightforward, so let's dive right in. First, head over to wix.com. You'll see the home page where you can begin your journey by clicking on the Get Started button. If you already have an account, you can log in, but if you're new here, you'll need to sign up. The process is quick. You can do it using your email, or you can connect through your social media accounts like Facebook or Google. Just follow the on-screen prompts to create your account, and soon you'll be ready to begin building your website. Once you have signed up or logged in, you're taken to the Wix dashboard. This is where all the magic starts. Here, you have the option to create a new site. Wix offers a great range of free templates specifically designed to suit a variety of different needs. Whether you're looking to build a personal blog, an online store, or a professional portfolio, it's important to think about what you want for your site and choose a template that aligns with your vision. Explore the categories provided, and once you've found the design that speaks to you, select it. Remember, the template isn't set in stone, as everything can be customized later to match your preferences. Next, let's customize your template. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Wix's drag and drop editor allows you to personalize your site effortlessly. You can modify the text to reflect your message, change the colors to suit your brand, and add images or videos to bring your pages to life. Be sure to spend some time getting familiar with the various tools and options available. It's also a great idea to preview your site on different devices to ensure it looks great on both desktop and mobile views. After you're satisfied with your customization, you're ready to bring your website to the world by clicking on the Publish button. When publishing with a free Wix domain, your URL will typically include your username, followed by wixsite.com. Keep in mind that this option doesn't offer a custom domain, but it's a good place to start if you're just testing the waters. You can always upgrade later to get a more personalized web address. Now your site is live. Congrats, you've successfully set up your website using Wix. Remember, you can always go back to make further changes or explore additional features Wix offers.